Hi there. So if you guys are moving and you want to get organized, this is the perfect spreadsheet for you. I've moved so many times and packed my things in boxes and then try to put a label on the box and then I forget what box the items are in. So this is like a totally super great way to manage the boxes that you've got if you're going to put your items in storage to be able to go back and remember, okay, in box two, I had this item in it. So each one of these is completely customizable if you decide to do something different. I totally get it. There's a place for you to put in your move-in date. You just double click in the box and you choose a date. Movers, you can put a moving company or yourself and a phone number to contact them. And then, so for example, so we've got box one. We can uncheck these. So say we've got to put in keepsake. And then once it's in there, you'll check off the box and you'll also put if it's fragile or if it's arrived. So that way you can remember. And then everything just works that way. I've got six, so box up, it's up to box six on the first row. And then it goes from 7 to 12. Oh, I miscounted. Goodness gracious. Okay, well now that that's fixed, so once you get down to box 13 through 24, I just put random items, because you know what's going to be in your boxes. So, you can totally, uncheck all these boxes and you can print this out. And so just even putting this in a binder and keeping this with you, would be totally cool too. So you just uncheck everything like that, go to File and Print. And then make sure it says fit to width, and then because if you do normal, it's gonna be like a mountain of pages unless you want that. But if you do fit to width, it'll have everything on there, and it'll only just be a couple pages. And you can do portrait, and it'll fit it all on one page. So that'd be tight, but it would work. So that's how to print that out. And so I hope this spreadsheet helps you to get organized and get moving. This would be perfect, like I said, with storage. But if you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description box below to purchase the spreadsheet. And also, this is part of a larger spreadsheet, which is an ultimate moving planner. So thanks, and I hope y'all have a good one.